Hello, and welcome. This is Two Set Violin. This is another episode of Ling Ling 40 Hours. I'm just kidding. No, that joke probably won't work here anyway. So, TNT Volume 1 point edition, Volume whatever 1.0 without two participants here. Happy to welcome you. Acha, so I will just introduce everyone, I guess. We have Divyesha. I'm just reading out randomly. Huh? Divyesha Singh 9G. Everyone's from DPS. Otsi Odhikari from 10. Vinayak Kumar Puri you're from class 11, 12.
I'm from 12.
You're from 12. Okay, please interact. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, okay. Aviti from 3. She's your youngest participant. Clap, clap, clap. Don't clap. Prachujjo, OP Quizzer. Raibat, Roy Chaudhary, new face to me. Sunrit, also OP Quizzer, but still learning how to make a connect question. Bonik Basu is saved as Oversmart Boy on my phone. Spandan Bhattacharya is good at sporting quizzes. Shreyan Gupta Barman is good at pop culture questions. And Anamitra Shaha is just himself. We also have Vaibhav Prasad at the bottom of my screen, who's joined from a phone, I think. So his video will be probably going off, and Abhishek will be messaging me sus every now and then. And we have Abhishek Tiwari, who is the security head, logistical head, everything else head. He is also the head boy of DPS Ruby Park. So clap, clap, clap. Aviti Ghosh is again in the waiting room. Aviti, what is happening? Okay, you're not in the waiting room. Okay. Good introduction. ওকে সো আই গেস উই আর গুড টু গো। ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে আমি কিন্তু অনেক বাংলা ইউজ করব। সবাই কি বাংলা বোঝে এখানে? And I can feel myself talking like Barry O'Brien right now, but I don't intend to do that. Okay? Yes. সবাই বাংলা বোঝে, I hope. Vinayak, you're okay with
Vaibhav
Bengali? Okay, Vaibhav
Yes.
also. Okay, someone just sent me a clap emoji, so thank you. Okay. Acha. Clap 2, clap 1, clap 2. Laughing. You can do all this on Zoom. Wow, awesome. Cool. Sunit is laughing. Okay. Which he always does. Anamitra is sending me a heart. Archie is partying. Sure. Okay. And Prachujjo has a red dot. Oh, that's the recording. Okay, sorry. That's just boomer me. Swandan has a thumbs up. Okay, so I'll take that as a good to go. Oh, someone sitting with cutlery, whoever that is. There's a fork and a knife. Boning.
It's the Oversmart Boy.
Yeah, Oversmart Boy. Okay, thank you for confirming. Someone's praying. Yeah,
I know it's a joke, but it's still a little bit.
Yeah, you can keep yourself mute on now. This is my moment right now. Okay.
Okay, cute.
My moment. Yeah. Awesome. I can see everyone laughing, so that's a good sign. Divyasha is giving me 2 eyes, so might as well. Okay. Abhishek Tiwari. Okay. Chat. Nice. I will not read out. Okay. Cholo, so I guess we are good to go. First round is okay, so I'll just go over the rounds once. 6 rounds. Oh, someone's already planning to kill me. Okay, there's a gun emoji somewhere in the participants list. Okay, now that's gone. Okay. 6 rounds. First round is general easy. First question isn't easy, just so that you get the feel of what's to happen in the quiz. But the other 13 are. Now, the reason why I set 14 questions in round 1 and round 2 is because I thought I would have 14 participants, so I thought I would do simple passing. Kintu seta to hocche na, so might as well just have 12 questions in the last 2. No, let's have one round as passing. So 12 question will pass, and the remaining 2. Achha, we have 12 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Okay, so 12 questions will pass, normal passing, and the last 2 questions we will have pounds. Okay, now pounds, we'll be following this system throughout the quiz, so I'll just tell you what that is in case anyone doesn't know. Pounds is when you're sure of the answer and you want to answer it even though it might be someone else's question. So all you have to do is basically set the chat box to my name. It should be set, the chat box should be set to my name throughout the quiz. So do that right now, please. So what you do is, if it's a pounds question, I'll tell you which rounds are pounds and all. So if it's a pounds question and you want to pounds on that question, I will give you a countdown. Within that countdown, if you write the answer to me correctly, then you get the point. If you write it incorrectly, you get a negative point. If you don't, there's no marking. Everyone clear? Thumbs up.
All questions have a negative.
Did I say that?
I'm just
All
saying
pounds
which.
questions have a negative.
Okay, all
That's
right. I'm my strategy.
Oh, strategy. Okay. আচ্ছা আবার স্ট্র্যাটেজি কি জানো DPS
Strategy.
নয়ডা
Well,
I
strategy
যদি কিছু
DPS
পারি না আমি
1.0.
আমি ওটা আনসার করব না। So no
হ্যাঁ
negative
হ্যাঁ
point.
নিশ্চয়ই নিশ্চয়ই
DPS Ranchi and Noida, in case you are wondering.
DPS Ranchi
Yes.
and Noida.
Asher call and all.
Okay, so I will suggest everyone to sit with their dinks in their hands, please. This will be a long quiz. There will be, okay, everyone showing me their bottles. Nice, nice, nice. Amader notar shomoy we shall give a break of 2 minutes. Do whatever you want. Have dinner in 2 minutes. I don't really care. Okay, thank you, Platonic Cactus. কেউ একটা কথা বলে যাচ্ছে কে
আমার মা এসেছিল এজন্য।
মাইকটা অফ কর কর মাইক অফ
আরে।
করতে পারে না তোরা আমায় বুমার বলিস মানে কি হ্যাঁ এই তো থ্যাংক ইউ ঠিক আছে সো রাউন্ড 1 জেনারেল ইজি সো হোয়াট উইল ডু ইজ ইচ পারসন গেটস আ ডাইরেক্ট কোশ্চেন কে আবার একটা কল চালিয়ে দিল রে একটা ইমোজি একটা ট্যাপ তার থেকে জল পড়ছে এনিওয়ে so first round direct general easy 12 questions now let's just have the score sheet once Abhishek so what Abhishek has done he's showing me his Rakhi I don't know why okay yes everyone Rakhi
Infinity Stones.
oh infinity stones but that's supposed to be
আমারটা
my
খুলে
hand.
গেছে।
হাতে না
That's supposed to be on the palm or
Palm,
on the back of the palm.
yeah okay so what Abhishek has done is basically he's completely randomly selected the names and arranged them in this order this is
নামের
random
বানান
order.
কেন?
Who is God himself? Paria
God
don't
himself.
kill.
Okay, I will advise people not to mute themselves out of turn. It because we are a little short on time, so just don't. Okay, so Paria is obviously Sunrit Paria. Okay, lol is Prachurjo. God himself is not here. God himself was supposed to be me, but anyway, we're talking about Rishi Raj here. Yes, thank you. So this is the order which we're going to follow. So I don't have this order written in front of me. So Abhishek, you'll have to tell me, huh? First question. So first question is for Raviti, I guess. So we can start. Etate on the mic answering. Acha, just to decrease the time taken, what we'll do is instead of passing it the entire circle, pass on to the next two members only. So only 3 people get opportunity to answer one question. Plus 100, plus 50. No negatives in the first question, first round. Everyone good? ঠিক আছে অভিতি ঘোষ চলো তোমার প্রথম কোশ্চেন তোমার ঠিক আছে তুমি কি পারবে মনে হচ্ছে না কেউ পারবে বাট ঠিক আছে দেখা যাক কি হয় আচ্ছা চলো স্লাইড শোটা অন করা যাক আমি এক কাজ করি আমার সামনে স্কোর শিটটা খুলে রাখি বিকজ আই নিড দি অর্ডার সো আই উইল গো টু হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ আই উইল ওপেন স্কোর শিট ইয়েস ওকে
OP
Oh,
first
shit.
slide. OP first slide though. Thank you.
thank you ওকে না পাওয়ার পয়েন্ট এটা না দিস ইজ নট নো ভুল জিনিস আমি সত্যিই বোমার
Noob.
হ্যাঁ না নুব তো খেলাধুলাতে হয় খেলি না কিছু
You are technologically noob.
আচ্ছা টেকনোলজিক্যালি নুব চলো অবিতি ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চন অফ TNT 1.0 is to you let's go first question please
আরে রুলসটা বোঝাও আগে।
রুলস এতক্ষণ বললাম সিকিউরিটি হেড হোয়াট ইজ হ্যাপেনিং ম্যান কি হচ্ছে নট ডান ইয়েস আচ্ছা এখানে আমি শুধু রাউন্ড 1 এর রুলস লিখেছিলাম কারণ আমি ভেবেছিলাম অনেক টাইম আছে তারপরে দেখলাম 6টা বাজে অলরেডি সো আমি আর বাকি রাউন্ড গুলোতে রুল গুলো লিখিনি মুখে বলে দেবো ঠিক আছে রাউন্ড 1 ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চন টু অবিত চলো okay so commonly used in the textile and housekeeping industry this unit so the answer is a unit huh is the British easy to follow substitute for the SI is international standard unit of thermal insulence of unit area insulence মানে কতটা গরম লাগে ঠিক আছে ডুভেস যেটা মানে আমাদের ভাষায় কম্বল কিংবা লেপ বলে আর commonly sold in different varieties on the basis of variance of this unit ঠিক আছে সো লাইট ওয়েট সামার ডুবে মানে এই ব্রিটিশরাই মানে গরমকালে ডুবে দেয় হ্যাঁ সো মানে বুঝতে পারছিস কতটা পাগল সো লাইট ওয়েট সামার ডুবে 3.0 টু 4.5 স্প্রিং এও আবার লেপ দেয় আমরা তো মানে লেপ তো বারই করি না এবারে তো বার করতে হবে না স্প্রিং অটম ওয়েট ডুবে ওয়েটটা কোথা থেকে এসে গেছে জানি না 7.5 টু 10.5 উইন্টার ঠিক আছে এটা তাও ঠিক আছে is 12.0 to 13.5 Shreyan please mute yourself I don't want to hear dismantle laughter so name this unit Aviti this is your direct
Pass.
Okay, no
I don't know.
problem. So, passing on, এরপরে হবে শ্রেয়ানের question. Shreyan? Acha, I don't have an answer from you.
Kelvin.
So, no, that's Kelvin is the unit of temperature. Rebath, it's your pass. This will be the last pass for this question.
No, it's Bornix. Bornix.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I can't even read. Forgive me. Bornik. Yes.
Yes, this is Bornik Basu.
Yes. Hello. Hello. Welcome.
তো এই কোয়েশ্চেনটার আনসার
কি মনে হচ্ছে? কি যাচ্ছে আপনার মাথা দিয়ে এখন? কেমন লাগছে আপনার এখানে এসে?
নিচে তিনটে কি অপশন, এই লাইট ওয়েট, স্প্রিং, উইন্টার।
মরেছে রে। Shreyan mute. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, we don't have so much time, so anyone going for a no pointer এটার আনসারটার জন্য? Okay, no one.
Duvet itself.
Is it
Duvet.
No,
What?
it's not
Is it- Is it
Anamika,
duvet?
yes. No, it's not.
is it
duvet.
what?
No, what is the unit of electric power? Okay, let's have the answer, please. So this is the TOG. ঠিক আছে, একটু জেনে রাখো। ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেনটা একটু গুগলি ছিল, সেকেন্ড কোয়েশ্চেন থেকে আর অতটা হবে না। ঠিক আছে, চলো সেকেন্ড কোয়েশ্চেন, ভেরি ক্লোজ টু মাই হার্ট। Second question will be Shreyan's. Okay, so X's family moved constantly due to the aspirations and failures of his father, who was দুবার এ এসে গেছে, ওটা হবে না, who was sometimes a violent alcoholic. In his autobiography, Why, মানে the name of the autobiography is Why, he describes his early life as being marked by abuse and neglect from this hard-working, hard-drinking womanizer. You don't need to know what womanizer means. In 1976, they finally settled in Stratford-upon-Avon, where he grew up in the Bishopton area of the town. Now, this is the most important clue. He worked as a pot washer in a local Indian restaurant where his sister was a waitress. Identify X and Y. হ্যাঁ, প্রাচুর্য is already okay, very nice, কিন্তু তোর অবধি তো যাবে না কোয়েশ্চেনটা, সো ওরকম নিচে কোনো লাভ নেই, নাকি যাবে? 1 2 3 না, যাবে না। Shreyan, this is your direct. Do you have an answer? So both parts for +100.
No, sir.
স্যার না, দাদা। আরে বৈভব প্রসাদ আবার মিটিং রুমে অ্যাডমিট। আচ্ছা, মুভিং অন, Bornik, this is your pass.
Gordon Ramsay,
Okay, so X is Gordon Ramsay and Y will
the
be
one who made the Hell's Kitchen himself.
yeah, I know who Gordon Ramsay is. Thank you. What is Y? X is Gordon Ramsay. What is Y? Bornik, জলটা পরে খা।
Why এটা জানি না।
Y design. So going for Y, we have Anamitra. It's your pass.
Oh, I can't.
Okay, no pointer. Anyone?
Hell's Kitchen.
Nah, Hell's Kitchen was the name of one of his show.
I mean, guessing.
No,
I'm a
that's
musically
okay.
mode right now, so that's what I'm doing.
ঠিক আছে. So X is Gordon Ramsay. Y is his.
Can I
autobiography
answer?
called- Yes, Spandan.
Is it Humble Pie?
It is Humble Pie. X is Gordon Ramsay and Y is Humble Pie. So Bornik gets +25, not +50, because he gave half the pass answer. Yes, so securing first points of the quiz is Bornik. Clap, clap, clap. I will remove over smart boy now from my contacts. Okay, next question will be Bornik's direct. Question number 3.
Okay.
We all know X. Identify X. Yes, that's it. Just kidding. So no, here's the question. I primarily like X because of how he names people. One word names always ending with ER. Won't say anything else. Also name his show, or don't. Yeah, obviously I don't care, because I now realize who I'm asking the question to. My brother animated some stuff for his show once. Apparently X is very difficult to work with. I won't use the adjectives my brother used. Anyway, name X. Also identify his show. Bornik.
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk. Okay, so that is X. And what is the name of his show? I'll be damned if my brother animated for Elon Musk, but anyway.
আমি জানি না।
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে. Okay, moving on to Anamitra.
No idea.
Okay, no problem. Rebath? বল।
No.
মানে আমি বললাম বল, তুই বললি নো। How মানে rude. So rude. আচ্ছা, okay, anyone going for a no?
Can I try?
Yes,
Can
Hey,
I
yes,
nah,
try?
yes,
nah,
yes,
nah.
obviously.
Participant first.
Ah,
Participant first.
This is. Acha, okay.
Acha,
This
Pratik,
is
ball.
rider and provider OP. This is
Rider and
Tanmay.
provider, OP. Yes, this
This
is
is
Tanmay
Tanmay
Bhatt.
Bhatt.
Fun.
There was a
And the name
show.
of his show is AIB. I will not say the full form.
Oh, achha, that is only the
That-
answer.
That is the
Ah.
show or that's the channel?
No. This was his show, though.
হ্যাঁ
This was his show once upon a time.
Channel anyway.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে আমি আর ফুল ফর্ম বলছি না সো কেউ পয়েন্ট পেলো না এটাতে সো দিস ওয়াজ কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 3 কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 4 will be Anamitra's direct. Okay. Ha. I am the widow of a drug dealer. I own property in central London, and for the last bloody time X, I am not your housekeeper. Identify
F.
the এসব ABCD বলিস না হঠাৎ করে মাঝখানে আর স্পেশালি F ঠিক আছে হঠাৎ করে অ্যালফাবেট বলতে শুরু করলে কি মানে আচ্ছা সো দিস ইজ
Fast, fast.
আরে বাবা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে হিন্ট দিয়ে দিতাম বাট কি আর করা যাবে রয়বত পাসিং টু ইউ
Can I have the hint?
No.
I'm sorry Weber
I will
Weber,
pass.
can we have your video on please yes let's have the video on for the
I will
entire-
pass it.
but it's not your direct it's not your question anyway
Yeah, but I don't know the answer.
but I didn't ask you so chill okay so Rebat yes the hint was this is current affairs lol it's actually written in the question somehow current affairs not exactly okay passing to okay lol Prachurjo
Pass.
okay so Sunrit apparently knows the answer I guess from his hand movements Sunrit
So this was in your status. So the speaker is Mrs. Hudson and X is Sherlock or Holmes. Sherlock.
no
Sherlock.
this X is actually John Watson but anyway but
Man,
he said
she
this
told
to
it to
John.
both of them. She told it to both of them
no,
all
no,
the
no,
time.
no.
I'm not your
No, no.
housekeeper.
মানে in this particular line X is John
Okay, but I mean,
so yes so
I
this
get
is
both or
Mrs.
I get
Hudson.
none.
You get none এটা তো তোর পাশে ছিল না
আমার পাশেই তো ছিল
না
এটা তো আমার কাছেই পাস হয়ে এসেছিল যাব বাবা
না মোটেও না আনামিত্রা ডিরেক্ট ছিল তারপরে রেবাত
Rebat,
তারপরে
Vaibhav, আমি।
No point. ও no pointer এ বললো তো।
ও নো
আমি
পয়েন্ট
নো পয়েন্টারে
No pointer এ বলেছে, no pointer এ।
খেয়াল নেই
ঠিক আছে
খেয়াল
No
নেই
problem.
খেয়াল নেই
ঠিক আছে কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 5 টু রেবাত কানেক্ট এটা তো মানে পাউন্সে দিলে সবাই এক্ষুনি পাউন্স করে দিত হ্যাঁ especially Spandan so this was Vaibhav, yes
The sponsor
Vaibhav,
IPL.
no Vaibhav not Vaibhav this is not your question
Hey Bob, what is wrong with you?
I don't know. I'm hearing Raibat as Vaibhav all time. Sorry.
okay so since we have 2 extra questions anyway we'll just cancel this question no not a problem so question number 6 this will be for Rebat's direct okay so
Yeah.
the question is we have frequently seen
Miss
Aryaman sir,
Mhm.
আমি কোয়েশ্চেন 5 টা পারতাম।
কিছু করার নেই একজন উত্তর বলে দিয়েছিল মাইকে
আর
না।
পাউন্স ছিল না এমনি তো ওর কাছে পাস হয়ে যেত না
সবাই আমার এখানে পাউন্স করে বসে আছে আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ভালো
স্যার
কথা,
যেই
তুমি bounce-
কোয়েশ্চেনটা আমি জানতাম সেটা নিয়ে এলো এখন এটা
that's
pass.
quiz for you that's quiz for you question number 6
কতবার
this is
হয়েছে
your
বলতো এটা?
direct. Chup. We have frequently seen athletes wearing colorful tape on their joints. This medical tape is used to limit excessive muscle stretching and also to relieve chronic pains. What is this tape called? Can you see এরকম টেপটা একটা শোল্ডারের কাছে আটকানো ব্লু রঙের and যে ফুটবল খেলছে that's black রঙের নি এর কাছে so you've seen I'm sure you've seen especially Olympics at the pori this is in no way related to doping huh this is a very simple thing okay Rebat, so
Pass.
passing okay no problem Prachurjo your direct pass sorry
I pass as well.
Orchi
No, I don't have an answer. Pass.
ওকে আচ্ছা আমি না অর্ডারটা একবার বলে দিচ্ছি তোরা মনে হয় দেখিসনি তখন সো আবিতি শ্রেয়ান বর্ণিক অনামিত্রা রেবত প্রাচুর্য অর্চি সুনৃত অর্চির পরে সুনৃত হ্যাঁ তারপরে ঋষিরাজ was supposed to be there then বিনায়ক দিব্যেশা বর্ণিক স্পন্দন বৈভব দেবাদিত্য তো এখন জয়েন করেন ঠিক আছে so this is the order I'm following okay so I think passing the done
পাসিং শেষ পাসিং শেষ
Sunrit.
Orchi.
আমি ট্রাই
Okay. Sunrit.
ক্যান আই সে উইথ আ নো
One
পয়েন্ট
second, one second.
নো পয়েন্ট আচ্ছা
হ্যাঁ বলো অন্নমিত্র বল।
ইজ ইট দ্য কিনেসিও টেপ
Yes, this is the kinesiology tape or the kinesio tape, however you pronounce it. This
I mean,
is
kinesio.
correct. Fine, kinesio.
Excuse me.
Yes,
I've also written it in the chat
yes, you
box.
have written it, and for that I shall give you 10 points because I mean,
Seriously.
really, yes, I will give her 10 points because I mean, she's in class 3. I must make that count. So 10 points to
Okay.
Abhiti. ঠিক আছে? Okay, so next question will be this was who's direct? Rebat. So this will be Prachujyo's direct. Chalo. Identify the two people. Achha, so this is so if you know, you know. I had sent a particular thing in the TNT group when I made this question. Prachujyo, answer. দুজনেরই নাম চাই for +100.
I mean, the actual people or the.
Actual people, yes, actual people, please.
Oof. One of them's Hurge, I guess. I forgot the guy who played Tintin in those plays with Blue Diamond and Blue Orange.
Golden Fleece, Blue Diamond, yes. So Hurj, okay. So Prachujyo passing on to Orchi. So I've already got Hurj.
I don't know the other guy's like real name.
Okay, sure, no problem. Sunrit, last pass at her.
Thompson. I mean,
No. Okay, so this is Hurj. So Prachujyo will get +50 কারণ ও direct a half বলেছে. So Hurj and Jean-Pierre Talbot. So that's the name of the actor. Okay, so this is way like মানে অনেক পুরনো জিনিসপত্র এসব. And in fact, Jean-Pierre Talbot didn't even act in one of the actual book adaptations. ঠিক আছে, মানে যে দুটো ড্রামা হয়েছিল, those were actually মানে not written, মানে exclusively by Hurj বলাটাও ভুল, মানে আবার weren't one of the books, weren't any of the books. ঠিক আছে. Okay, so next question will be Orchi. So yeah, next slide please. Jean-Pierre Talbot. And okay, this is a very interesting question. একটু ভালো করে শোন. When asked to explain the origins of his famous 3-word catchphrase, which is dash dash dash, let's go racing. That's the entire. Okay, that's a Limca burp. I'm sorry. Dash dash dash, let's go racing. Darrell Waltrip, who was a famous NASCAR commentator, said that he found the previously used race start exclamation quite boring, which was and the green flag is in the air. মানে এইভাবেই রেস শুরু করা হতো এর আগে. During one particular racing season, when Ray Stevens' song The Streak started playing on the radio, the chorus of the song lit a bulb, and that's when he started using that catchphrase and has stuck with that ever since. Most popularly heard by us in the Cars movies. The Cars is the franchise, Cars 1, 2, 3. What is this phrase I'm talking about? Okay, so the first 3 words of that entire phrase. It is workable. If you've seen the Cars movies, it's workable. This is actually a tough question, but
Okay, but like is there negatives for this?
no negatives.
I'm going to just give a wild guess, which is probably wrong. Is it on your mark, get set, the thing?
No. That's for this is car racing.
Yeah,
মানে
okay. I don't
technically,
watch that.
Generally, that's used with মানে athletes racing, মানে sprints and all. Achha, so next one, next passing will be Pariya. Sunrit?
bulb is lit.
Nope. Then we have called himself Vinayak. Yes, Vinayak, it's your pass.
Well, I haven't watched the movie, but just a wild guess. Is it Lightning McQueen?
No, it's not, and it's 3 words.
Can I take the no pointer?
Yes, Rebat, please.
Boogity, 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 let's go.
Boogity boogity is the correct answer. Yes, so boogity boogity boogity, let's go racing. So if you've seen the Cars movies, this is what they actually say. Cars movies were very largely adapted from real NASCAR racing. Like in the second movie, Lewis Hamilton is F1 though. Lewis Hamilton actually voices Lewis Hamilton in the film, which was a car. So it's very largely adapted from real life. Okay. So next question, eta hocche direct chilo. So next question will be Sunrit's. Fatafati. This is peak moment. This word was included on the Lake Superior University 2008 list of banished words as Inar, I-N-A-R, is not a valid root. Quite surprisingly, though, this word was included in the Merriam-Webster dictionary that same year. This word is a portmanteau between two very common words. However, the word I want is one that at least DPS students come across quite often. What is the word? There is enough hints in the question. Sunrit, so direct.
Webinar.
Webinar is absolutely correct. Webinar is correct.
Like, let's go.
Plus 100 to Sunrit. That's our first plus 100 in the quiz. Very, very, very good.
I got the draw of the lot, so I can't even help it.
So webinar is correct. So it's obviously web and seminar. So that's the two words, and webinar, because obviously every week I'm at the Doshta webinar, which no one attends. Next question will be, so Rishi Raj isn't here. It will be Vinayak's direct. In the film The Taking of Pelham 123, what is Pelham 123? Vinayak, this is your, where is Vinayak here? Okay, yes, he's here. I'm so sorry. Yes. Vaibhav, your video, please.
Is it a car?
Explain a bit more. Like, how is it a car? Like, why would you name a car?
The car's model name.
A car's model name. Okay, I will look for a better answer. Divyesha, it's your pass.
I don't know. It's plane, maybe.
I'm sorry?
A plane. Airplane.
Like an aeroplane. No, it's not an aeroplane. Last pass is to Bornik. Pass in no time, huh? Answer thakle bole de.
Bornik.
Yeah.
I can't.
Wait. Is it
one
Bornik?
second. No. It can't be Bornik. Hey, Abhishek, Bornik ke naam dubar diyechish keno?
Oops.
Achha,
Whom
so
did I
this
miss
will be
out?
passing to Spandan. This will be passing to Spandan.
No. Wait. Then I've
No.
missed out someone.
Have you missed
Hold on.
Vaibhav or Shreyan?
Shreyan is there. Vaibhav is also there.
No, I
Whom
think
did I
this
miss?
Bornik ke name ta kete jabe. Bas that's it.
Hold on.
Abhiti, Shreyan, Bornik, Anamita.
Acha, একটা roll call করি. I'll see who's not. Whose name is
Yeah.
not there.
Okay, Aviti, ke abar ke chhede dicche randomly. Anyway, Aviti, Shreyan is here.
Bornik is here. Anamitro is here. Raibat is here. Prachurjo is here. Orchi is here. Parya is here. Vinayak, Divyesha, Spandan, Vaibhav. Spandan, Vaibhav. Whose name did I not call?
সবাই তো আছে।
Okay.
আমি বলছি যে বর্ণিকটাকে কেটে দে, so it will be
বর্ণিকটা
Spandan's
কেটে দে।
pass. হ্যাঁ,
Yeah,
Spandan.
it's a New York City subway train.
It's a New York City subway train. Exactly. That's the perfect answer. So plus 50 to Spandan. Yeah, plus 50 to Spandan. Good answer. Moving on. Next question. Wait a minute. আমাদের যদি 12 জনই হয় তাহলে তো technically I should be in question number 13 now.
Cancel হলো একটা কোয়েশ্চেন মাঝখানে।
হ্যাঁ আমি I had made 14 questions.
আমাকে কেউ কুইজ ক্লাবের লোকজন ফোন করেছে, জাস্ট আ সেকেন্ড, এটা নিয়ে রিলেটেড উইথ আই থিংক। হ্যালো।
Oh wait, who did not join? Rupsa did not join, na? So that's Rupsa, I did not put her name.
Okay,
I think
so then calculation is
joined.
okay. Then calculation is okay. আচ্ছা, questions okay এতক্ষণে everyone's enjoying.
Nice question. Especially I got the only plus 100 till now. So yeah,
I had a chance of getting plus 100, but I got robbed of it.
ঠিক আছে, এরপরে
I answered correctly, but it was a no pointer. Never mind.
এরপরে অনেক
draw slots হয়ে গেল।
Okay, 2-3 things to say. One, the next question is taken from somewhere I know because I give the same question in tech quiz. Number 2, yes, Adi Manda. So
তাড়াতাড়ি বল।
question thing 2 is Vaibhav has a power cut, so he may not be able to join.
Vaibhav is what?
Vaibhav has a power cut.
Oh, power cut. আচ্ছা। Okay. And three things.
আমি
only two, three
পার্কার
things.
শুনলাম।
আমিও Parker
The third thing was
You're Parker,
Psych. I have two
laugh.
things to say.
আচ্ছা, okay. So we're good to go to. Yes, okay. So next question will be Vaibhav. So this is the last question of this
No,
round.
this is
Vaibhav named.
Spandans though. This is Spandans.
Acha, Spandans direct. Right. Huh. Okay, so yeah, it's a very common question. In January 1996, former National Geographic photographer Charles O'Reilly, blah blah blah. Last sentence of Porchi, there it was, my God, the grass is perfect, it's green, the sun is out, there's some clouds, he remembered thinking. Put Funda.
Can I answer?
Yes, it is your direct.
Can I say? Okay.
No, wait.
Okay, you answer, then I'll say it. Okay.
Wait,
Arey.
wasn't it my question?
Yes, it is Spandan's direct.
No,
Your
it's
question.
yeah.
Spandan.
Yeah. It's the Microsoft logo of the hill, the green hill.
Which
My
is called-
the windows. No, I don't. It's I don't know the name, but that's the description. That's the logo, mate. The display image.
Acha, okay, the wallpaper.
The display image. The green hill. The hill.
বুঝেছি বাবা, ঠিক আছে,
that's-
ঠিক আছে।
I
Okay,
should be
okay.
getting part.
So I'll look for a better answer. It will pass on to Vaibhav. Vaibhav নেই, তাই তো? আচ্ছা, okay. So Devaditya, then Aviti. So all the way back to the top. Passing on to you. Any guesses?
Pass.
Okay. আচ্ছা, Orchi বল।
না
No, I
wait,
don't
আরেকটা
know the
বাকি তো। Wait, Shreyan.
By the
Shreyan will
way,
get a
I
pass
think
though.
এটা আমার
না, pass
direct
হবে।
ছিল. I just skipped my name.
কি করছে আরিয়ান?
What?
Yeah, because I didn't get a direct.
Oh, you didn't get it direct. Okay, so next question will be your direct. No chap. We have
কি
plenty of
করছো?
questions. আরে বাবা, মাঝখান থেকে ওর নামটা চলে গেল না, so I got confused পুরোটা। আর এত ডিস্টার্ব। ওহ, আচ্ছা, so passing is done. So obviously this is আর কেউ কি আনসার করতে চায়? পরে আমার
দিলাম তো পাউন্সে দিলাম তো।
পাউন্স নেই।
মানে
হ্যাঁ, okay.
নো পয়েন্টার
The answer is bliss.
বলতে পারি?
হ্যাঁ, Windows XP এর bliss। ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, so
Will I be getting any point?
you should be getting like maybe
half
25.
3/4
even
points.
half.
I actually would give him 75.
25?
75 ভাই 75
আচ্ছা,
75
কুইজটা কে কন্ডাক্ট করছে?
আর আমরা পার্টিসিপেন্টের রিকোয়েস্ট করছি
আমায় কি
না,
সত্যি
না, না।
ruled-
এ সবাই দাঁড়া, জিকিউএম কে স্পিক করতে দে।
I am not
50
G anymore. I am not
75
G
টা বেশি।
anymore.
I'm adding a letter to your title.
No, QMG instead of GQM.
It should be QMAB. Sorry.
Can you all shut up?
Thank you. Okay. ঠিক আছে, 50 points. পুরো আনসার পাইনি, হাফ পেয়েছি, 50 points. That's the ঠিকঠাক জিনিস। 75 বা কেন দেব? আচ্ছা, so next question. So now we have basically 11 participants, তাই তো? কারণ Vaibhav বেরিয়ে গেল। Done. Fine. So next question will be Divyesha's direct. So Divyesha, Rupsha, Spandan. Rupsha নেই, so Divyesha, Spandan, Vaibhav এভাবে যাবে। Fine. Divyesha, next question. Abhishek, হ্যাঁ। Oh, this is a very good
Arjuman,
question.
1 minute. আমার তো এখন একটা ডাইরেক্ট হয়ে গেল, আমি আবার কেন পাবো?
না না, তোর পাসে হবে এটা।
দিব্যেশ,
তোর পাসে
আচ্ছা।
হবে। Okay, so the X, আরে ভাই,
ঠিক আছে হবে না।
I have the list in front of me. The list can't be wrong. The X will employ the traditional design motifs found in Ichimatsu Moyo, which is harmonized checkered patterns, and Kasane no Irome, which is traditional kimono layering techniques in a modern presentation. The X is designed to be a reflection of Japan itself and of the way the country demonstrates unity in diversity. It is a ফাটাফাটি question. Silicon convex lines, sorry, convex lens বলতে যাচ্ছিলাম, are applied on the surface of the x so that anyone can recognize the type of y simply by touching x. Chemically recycled polyester fibers that produce less carbon dioxide during their manufacturing process are used. Okay, the answer is just given there. Proofreading OP. I'm so sorry. The ribbon. So X is ribbon. Wow. So give me Y and Z. Divyasha, Y and Z for 100.
Literally no idea, so just pass.
It key. Stop, Baba. Okay. Passing on to Spandan tahole. Yes, Rupsha is not there, so Spandan. Y and Z. So X is ribbon, obviously. That's one of us.
No idea.
E Baba. Vaibhav? Oh, Vaibhav নেই বাবা, এদের নামগুলো বার কর। আচ্ছা আবিতি, আবার
আবার
over to you.
ঢুকবে, আবার দিতে হবে।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আবিতি, to you again.
I don't know.
Okay, anyone trying? No pointer?
I would like to.
So are these the Olympic mascots?
দাঁড়া না,
Virat
এক
Kohli?
সেকেন্ড দাঁড়া। প্রাচুর্য
খুব
বল।
prompt করছে আজকে শুনবি। I think Y is the Olympic medal ribbon, like ধরে বোঝায় what type of the.
X is the ribbon, Y is the medal. Yes.
Okay, so Y is the medal. Yeah, type of Y যেটা বলছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ, type of
And-
medal. So gold, silver, bronze. Yes.
Z core
And-
graphic colors.
হ্যাঁ, so what is Z?
Wait, produce less manufacture.
এত ভাবার কিছু নেই। মানে এগুলো কোথায় পেতিস তুই?
Z, I don't know, Z is like the bouquet they give.
এ ভাই, Z is the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. এত ভাবার কিছু নেই।
Oh, আচ্ছা, so blue and white. Okay.
হ্যাঁ।
মমতা OP.
ঠিক আছে, হয়েছে বাবারে বাবা, ফার্স্ট রাউন্ড, মানে ঠিক আছে চলো, ফেটেইছে।
Rounds গুলো বাকি আছে।
30 minutes.
If this
Maybe-
is supposed to be easy,
I'm
then like
not
the
talking.
standard
I
we're
hate
setting
him.
is this high.
আচ্ছা, let's have the
your
scores.
questions are next level.
হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, এবার আরো নেক্সট লেভেল হবে। স্কোরস দেখি প্লিজ অভিষেক, আমি চালাই, আমি আর পারছি না বড়।
You have to
13,
open
14?
their accounts.
আচ্ছা এই এক সেকেন্ড 13 এর কোশ্চেনটা হবে তো রাইবাতের জন্য, because he missed his direct.
না, we did the
No,
next
I
question
didn't-
for Raibat.
yeah.
ও আচ্ছা তারপরে তো একজন বেরিয়ে গেল। তো আচ্ছা প্যারেন্টস পাউন্ডস গুলো হবে না?
তোরা না একটু চুপ কর। I know what I'm doing, so let me handle it please. Okay. হ্যাঁ, let's have the scores. আমি পাউন্ডস করিয়ে দেব।
হ্যাঁ, that's why never get too cozy with the QM. এই প্রবলেম হয়।
অভিষেক, scores please. বেশি কিছু হয়নি scores এ। অভিষেক আছেন? Okay, so Aviti on 10, Bornik on 25, Prachuj on 50, Sunrit on 100, and Spandan also on 100. Very nice.
আচ্ছা, before round 2 can I request the scorer to remove the non-participant name? তাহলে একটাতে মেবি চলে আসে।
কতটা টাইম নেই, হ্যাঁ 10টার
মানে-
মধ্যে, 10:30টার মধ্যে শেষ
প্লাস
করতে
যদি
হবে।
ওই মাঝখানে, যদি ওরা মাঝখানে মানে ঢোকে, দেন
Who said?
why I am so sorry.
Move it towards the bottom, so like shit up. You just skip it.
ঠিক আছে না, let's do
Yeah,
this.
let's just
It won't
continue.
be a
It's not a
problem.
problem. ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট রাউন্ডে আর পাসিং নেই, সো সবই পাউন্ডস। ঠিক আছে, প্লাস 300 মাইনাস 50, আমি আচ্ছা মাইনাস 100ই রাখছি।
এক মিনিট আমি এক্সকেম বোতল নিয়ে আমি ফ্রিজে। আপনি শুরু করুন।
God help me, I mean just
দাদা কত জন্ম হাসনি?
কি কত বাজো, কি বললি?
কত জন্ম হাসনি মানে আজকে সব হাসি একদম ফুটে বেরোচ্ছে মুখ দিয়ে।
আচ্ছা, what about 13 and 14 and 15?
আচ্ছা, কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো দেখি, নো পয়েন্টস, হ্যাঁ জাস্ট এমনি
আচ্ছা,
Okay.
shout out answer. Connect, very specific connect.
Is it browsers?
It is what? Browsers.
Browser.
No, not at all.
Is it related to Australia?
Australia. How Australia? I said no, it's not
Because
related
I
to
think
Australia.
the crown ship thing is the Harbour Bridge.
No. So anyone going for it?
Sports related.
না এখন থেকে সবাই তোরা আমি রিলেটেড কি জিজ্ঞেস করবি তারপরে ভাবতে শুরু করবি these are all Indian cryptocurrency exchanges বললাম তো no pointer Sunrit please pay attention instead of constantly switching on your mic and disturbing me. These are all Indian crypto exchanges. So we have WazirX, CoinDCX আর দুটো কি দিয়েছিলাম আমার নিজেরই মনে নেই coin switch kuber আর আরেকটা কি মনে নেই সত্যি মনে নেই.
Sunrit, mute yourself before you prompt in the next round.
Deduct 50 marks from Sunrit if you prompt.
Nah. Thing is, Sunrit has a habit of shouting out answers when he sees something.
Can you all let me handle this for the last time? If anyone speaks out of turn, I will personally put them out of this meeting now. Including Prachurjo. Even you're getting on my nerves right now. Question number 14, please. No pointer. আচ্ছা এটা সবাই পারা উচিত actually. This is the first
Dolby.
Nah, this is not Dolby but close.
Is this Doordarshan?
No, this is Netflix. So net and flix on both sides of the film. Yeah. So imagine এটা যদি পাসে হতো আমায় মেরেই ফেলতো লোকজন. ঠিক আছে. So round number 2 আমি ভেবেছিলাম pounds with direct রাখবো but since direct is causing such a lot of confusion between this large range of ages that I am having to deal with, let's just keep it to pounds. ঠিক আছে. So open pounds 14টা question আছে plus 300 minus 50 for the first round. ঠিক আছে চলো. Question number 1. This is general tough. Hello and welcome to the 77th annual Golden Globe Awards live from the Beverly Hilton Hotel here in Los Angeles. I'm X. Thank you. You'll be pleased to know that this is the last time I'm hosting these awards, so I don't care anymore. I'm joking. I never did. I'm joking. I never did. NBC clearly don't care either. 5th time. I mean, Kevin Hart was fired from the Oscars for some offensive tweets. Hello. This was a part of the introductory. The question. This was a part of the introductory speech of X at the 77th Golden Globe Awards. As the show went on, the host also went on to rip apart Hollywood and its figures, cracking insulting jokes and just making an awkward situation in general. Who is X? Pounds closing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Because the last answer was from Orchi. Correct answer is Ricky Gervais, not Jimmy Kimmel. So Orchi gets minus 100. Onamitro, Spandan, and Raibat get plus 300. Onamitro, Spandan, Raibat plus 300 and Orchi minus 100. Jimmy Kimmel hosted the Oscars. This was the Golden Globe.
This caused like a Twitter storm.
Everything that happens anywhere.
I really like Ricky Gervais.
Like, he
Anything
said
Ricky
some
Gervais
messed up
does, it
thing.
causes Twitter.
Yeah, he said some, but he created The Office, but also he said some messed up things. But like, move on.
Thank you. Question number 2. So names like Port, Marsala, Clavelin, Boxbutyl, and Chianti determine the type of X, while words like Magnum, Salmanazar, Balthazar, and Nebuchadnezzar determine Y of X. What are X and Y? So those first four, five words determine the type of X, while the next 4 words determine Y of X. Clear with the question? Yes, Y is also characteristic, so if you may say so. Yes, so what are X and Y? Pounds closing in আচ্ছা আমি এখন থেকে বলে দিচ্ছি যদি একটা পার্ট ঠিক হয় অন্য পার্টটা ভুল হয় -100, একটা পার্ট ঠিক হলে অন্য পার্টটা if you're not attempting it then half points. Okay, so pounds closing in 5, 4, 3, খুব specific answer কিন্তু 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Next, not next. So this is not wine. This is wine bottles. Because a port I know is a wine name. That's why all of you wrote wine. Marsala is also a wine. Kintu eglo, these are all of these also determine the type of wine bottle. So the answer I was looking for is wine bottle, not wine. So otar jonno negative thakbe. So everyone gets a negative here. And yes, Y is size of the bottle. Vinayak, Divyesha, Anamitra, and Sunrit all minus 100. Vinayak, Divyesha, Anamitra, Sunrit. বলেছিলাম tough হবে. Bonik Basu, yes.
ভাবলো না আমারও পয়েন্ট গেল। ওকে, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন?
There is no question. This is the answer slide.
Then I am sorry.
Can we move on?
God help me. Yes, we may move on. Question number 3. We'll move a bit fast. Okay, connect. You can zoom in if you can. So the first picture is of Worcestershire sauce. I said that correctly. Awesome. Salt and pepper, tomatoes, and vodka. I will give you a hint for this one. If you remove vodka, the answer changes. It is a very good hint. Think about it. ঠিক আছে? Answer closing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Orchi Odhikari, some kind of pasta. You were talking about penne alla vodka most probably, but no, that won't do here.
Wait, I know the answer.
So why didn't you write it to me?
আমি চ্যাট বেশি তাড়াতাড়ি খুলতে পারি না।
তো পুরো কোশ্চেন পুরো কুইজটাই তো চ্যাট বেসড হবে।
ও
বাই। আচ্ছা, so this is Bloody Mary. This is the drink Bloody Mary. Yes, Prachurja, no pointer, Bloody Mary. So if you remove vodka, it becomes Virgin Mary. So Orchi gets
it becomes what?
Virgin Mary.
Okay.
So Orchi gets minus 100 and Vinayak gets plus 300. Very, very cool. Vinayak plus 300, Orchi minus 100. Prachurja to ঠিক আছে, no pointer আর time এর পরেও দিয়েছে। Question number 4. Instead of saying the long and tedious sciencey name, not scientific kintu, sciencey, people tend to use its acronym, which is traditionally made by yeast fermentation from sugars present in green or black tea. This thing is used in food products like kimchi, kombucha, and soy sauce to enhance fermentation. What am I talking about? You can give me the acronym. If you see cooking videos, say of Joshua Weissman and all, you will know this. Proprietary জিনিসপত্র লিখছিস। 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, last answer was from Orchi. This is hibiscus, Spondon hibiscus. Hibiscus আর ফুল তো।
না ওটা ভুল করে, টাইম চলে গেছে, ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, হ্যাঁ। So Orchi wrote Exo sauce, which is a proprietary sauce. Sunrit wrote MSG, which is also not correct. So let's have the answer. This is actually SCOBY. It is symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. This is traditionally how you make soda at home. Don't try, it's difficult. I have and I have failed. Okay, so Sunrit and Orchi both get minus 100. Orchi tinte por minus holo mone hai.
Yeah.
ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা Sunrit and Orchi both get minus 100. বলেছিলাম টাফ হবে। ঠিক আছে, the first set was workable.
minus 50 ছিল না এই রাউন্ডে?
আমি বলে দিয়েছিলাম, তারপরে minus 100, 50 টাকে বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছিলাম। ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা শ্রেয়ান আনসার কর তোরা। কি রে বর্ণিক, why are you raising your hand again?
আমি এটা পারতাম, কিন্তু আমার নেটওয়ার্ক ইস্যু হয়ে গেল। মুভ অন, প্লিজ মুভ অন, প্লিজ।
The moment you mute
Why do you
yourself, I
speak
will.
if you want everyone to move
Why
on?
do you speak? Don't speak.
I'm not speaking, bro.
Okay. Question number 5. He saw public দেখ Easy question. What are these shoes called and where are they traditionally used? So answer dana bhebe answer strategically. You know where this is used. If you know that for sure, give only that. You will give half points. কিন্তু ওটা দিয়ে যদি অন্যটা আনসার করে ভুল হয় তাহলে কিন্তু -100 ঠিক আছে সো start pouncing 5 4 3 2 3 ও ফাটাফাটি 4 3 2 1 আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা সুনৃত তো আচ্ছা first the answer is these are Pointe shoes, Pointe, used in ballet. Anamitra's answer came after I counted down. Sunrit wrote fashion or catwalk. That is incorrect. So Sunrit -100, Rebat +300. Full answer Pointe shoes ballet. Prachurjo ballet shoes +150. Spandan 150. Aviti Pointe shoes very good +150. And Vinayak +150. Orchi also.
Hey, go slow.
তোরা না 12 এ 11 এ 12 এ ম্যাথস পড়িস
আরে হ্যাঁ, but then you're giving +150 +150
জানুয়ারিতে কুইজিনিয়াস আছে সুনরিত -100 রেবাত +300
হ্যাঁ
প্রাচুর্যর
পর
প্রাচুর্য স্পন্দন অভিতি বিনায়ক অর্চি প্রাচুর্য স্পন্দন অভিতি বিনায়ক অর্চি +150.
Okay,
These are
just
Pointe-
not
Dada,
to be
my
that
answer
person.
came after time.
Yes.
Oh God.
Yes, Orchi.
not to be that person, but I literally আমি point issues type করে রেখে দিয়েছিলাম and I was scared, so I didn't give it.
It's
And
okay, it happens.
Suffering.
Anyway, next question. Question
Acha,
number 6.
after Aviti, who was there?
Vinayak and Orchi. +150. Next question. Okay, so the first 3 dogs are given: boxer, bulldog, and pit bull. What is the 4th dog, commonly called Staffy?
A real
Closing?
name, biological.
Unless you're calling it maybe Bornik Basu, yes, the real name. Bounce closing in 5, 4, 3. It's a long bruh. Right, but nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Last answer I received was from Divyesha. Bornik or Spandana I will not consider anyway. So this is the Staffordshire Bull Terrier. If you write Staffordshire, I'll give you the full point. But Bull Terrier is something completely different. So Staffordshire.
Terrier has a weird nose.
I did the spelling error. Excuse me.
It's okay. Staffordshire. So Divyesha gets +300. Prachurjo Devaditya Pal has entered the waiting room. Let us go. We are going to have some fun now. Okay. So কোথায় ছিলাম দিব্যেশা বাবা অলরেডি 9টা বাজে কপাল দিব্যেশা +300 প্রাচুর্য অনামিত্রা আভিতি -100 প্রাচুর্য অনামিত্রা
+20.
What?
I mean, I didn't write Staffordshire because that was too
I
long.
told
I went
you
for
Bull Terrier is a completely different breed of dog. I said that.
Oh,
If you can't pay attention, I suggest you to leave.
sorry, I had a network issue right then. Sorry.
Yeah, you can
Here.
tell me all your network issues. There's nothing called a network issue. আমিও 3 বছর
There is
ধরে
something
online
called a
class
bad
করছি।
internet.
That's your fault.
Hello. Am
Hello.
I visible, audible? Is everything working?
Audible কিন্তু screen frozen আপাতত।
Bruh. Give me a minute.
আচ্ছা ততক্ষণ দিব্যেশা +300, প্রাচুর্য অনামিত্রা আভিতি -100, Rebath Staffordshire Bull Terrier +300. Very nice. So Rebath and Divyesha +300, Prachurjo Anamitra Aviti -100. Devaditya is taking a selfie.
Dada,
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে এখন ঠিক আছে
can you, Dada,
বল
can you please pause the quiz for a few seconds? I need to go to the restroom.
We'll have the restroom break in another 5-10 minutes just when we finish this round. Hold it in.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
We're all human. Okay, Devaditya playing to?
हाँ playing.
Chalo, okay. Question number 7. ফাটাফাটি. What is being discussed here?
ও পাউন্স করাতে পারে নাকি?
Pounds, এটা pounds. Plus 300, minus 100 আমার chat box এ.
Okay, pounds.
And mic mute করে. What is being discussed here? অসাধারণ question. 5 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, last answer I got was from Sunrit. ঠিক আছে, all are some sort of message. Bornik no. This you can try it yourself. This
Is it
to
ASL?
No, this is to check doneness of steaks. You've probably all heard rare, medium rare, well done. Okay, so try with your hand. Put your finger here. আচ্ছা, আগে এমনি হাতটা খোলা রেখে take your other index finger and touch it here. It's a soft feeling. So this is the texture you're looking for in a rare steak. This feeling. Now put your finger here, then touch. Slightly tough hoyeche. So this is medium rare. Go to the next finger, slightly tougher. This is medium well. Well done. Yes, I probably missed one majkhane, but this is how you do it in restaurants. Yes. So yes, very good GK question. Thank you. So Sunrit minus 100, Devaditya plus 300.
Here steak is that meat.
Yes, steak is beef, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very sad polish. Sunrit minus 100, Devaditya plus 300. Next question. It's an art question for it. So X is a pseudonymous English-based street artist, political activist, and film director whose real name and identity remain unconfirmed and subject of speculation. Active since the 1990s, his satirical street art and subversive epigrams combine dark humor with graffiti executed in a distinctive stenciling technique. His works of political and social commentary have appeared on streets, walls, and bridges throughout the world. These are some of his most famous artwork. Name, what is X basically? ঠিক আছে, নাম তো কেউ জানে না, সো কিভাবে বলা হয় pseudonym-টা. Okay, 5 4 ফাটাফাটি 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, only 2 answers. Last answer was from Prachurjo, Divyesha, Orchi, Oviti, all after time. So this is Banksy. Bornik and Prachurjo plus 300. Bornik and Prachurjo plus 300. Very, very good answer.
Yes.
Next question. Oh, pick question. With branches open in places like Cairo and Alexandria, this company is quite a popular one. Founded by Hussein Khorakiwala in 1958, this company racked up almost 950 million USD revenue by 2012 with a tagline, "Go ahead and celebrate," which is contrary to what people of the city assume the tagline to be. Very important hint. This company created use of confusion among Indians, and some of the confusion still lasts, when people thought another company had replaced it, when in reality the two are completely different entities. What company am I talking about, and which company replaced it? Bornik is informed. Brownie points for the city tagline of the, okay, everyone is informed. Pounds closing in 5 4 3 2 1 0. So একটা দিলে আমি plus 150 দেবো. Spandan, your answer came after time. Last answer I received was from Roibot. So this is Monjinis and Mio Amore. ঠিক আছে, and the tagline is Moner Jinish Mon Jinis. Yes, no one attempted for the tagline, so that's okay. Rebat and Divyesha and Devaditya plus 300. Rebat, Divyesha, Devaditya plus 300. Prachurjo, Anamitra, Spandan plus 150. কারণ স্পন্দনের মিয়ামরেটা আমার কাউন্টডাউনের পরে এসেছে।
আর আমারটা আমিও তো মনজিনিস বললাম।
ও বর্ণিক, সরি
Bornik,
150 বর্ণিক 150 মনজিনিস লিখেছি।
আচ্ছা, so who Who got 150?
150 is Spandan, Anamitra, Prachurjo, Bornik.
দাঁড়া, স্পন্দন।
আমি একটা কথা বলতে চাইছি, আই ওয়ান্ট টু সে সামথিং।
Yes,
আমি
please
অনেক
do.
আগে বলেছি, তখন কোয়েশ্চেনটা বলা হচ্ছিল,
হুম।
এক্সট্রা হওয়ার কথা ছিল, বাট ইটস ওকে, ইটস ওকে, ইটস
কি
ওকে।
বললিটা
এক্সট্রা
কি?
পয়েন্টস,
আলটিমেটলি তো কিছু বললি না তো।
এক্সট্রা পয়েন্টস পাওয়ার কথা ছিল, কারণ আমি কোয়েশ্চেন যখন বলছিলেন তখন আমি আনসারটা দিলাম।
তখন তো
It's
অসুবিধা
all
নেই,
right.
you can
ও
answer
স্যার
then
আমিও তাই
also.
করেছি,
তো কি হয়েছে?
সবাই করে,
Problem?
অনেকেই তাই করেছে, পয়েন্ট এক্সট্রা নেই।
ও
Problem.
তাহলে আমি
হয় না।
হ্যাঁ,
Move on.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, okay, anyway, next question, mic offs please. হ্যাঁ, mics off, not mic offs. Mic off is a contest. Okay, so you probably unless you're a boomer like me, you've probably not seen these seemingly random moving patterns on screens of MP3 players on computers. এগুলো Windows XP, Windows Vista তে হতো, ঠিক আছে? আমি জানি না 10 এ হয় কিনা। Loosely based on EQ movement in the piece of music being played. What are these known as? EQ is equalization. What is this called? 5, 4, 3. এটা মানে পুরো গানটা চলতো, এটাও randomly মুভ করতে এরকম এরকম।
আচ্ছা, লাইক এটা তো একটা ব্রড ক্যাটাগরি আছে, ক্যাটাগরিটা দিলে হবে?
Yes, the category. I want the category.
There is a name, like,
আরে
yeah,
হ্যাঁ বাবা।
that
না, না,
spans
না,
the
না।
entire category.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, Orchir একমাত্র correct answer. This is a visualizer. Spectrogram is a graph. Waveform is a graph. ঠিক আছে? Spectrogram actually measure করে এগুলো। These aren't measuring anything. Yes, so visualizer, these are audio visualizers. So Orchi get plus 300. Bah, finally plus 300.
Yeah.
And Prachurjo Bornik minus 100. These are audio visualizers. So Prachurjo and Bornik minus 100, Orchi plus 300. Very good. Next
Listening
question.
to lo-fi music at 1 a.m. paid off finally.
Yes, indeed. Okay, আচ্ছা নাই, আবার তুই ইনডিড বলা যাবে না, সন্দীপ আছে মিটিং এ। আচ্ছা, question number 11. Where would you find the Sri Ramaswamy Memorial Institute of Science and Technology, which is a DBS hub, if I may say so? I want the place. ঠিক আছে? It's a trick question. Yes, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. ঠিক আছে, okay. Acha, Spandan, I'll come back to you. Bornik, this is Chennai. This is the SRM University. Not many people actually know that
এত
SRM
বাজেভাবে
stands for.
চেটে দিচ্ছিস।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আমি জানতাম তো, SRM এর তো কেউ জানে না।
I know that. আমি শিখেছিলাম, মনে ছিল।
হ্যাঁ, good. JEE, yes, let's go.
আমি 300 পয়েন্টস পেলাম।
Like
হ্যাঁ,
0,
yes.
minus 1 level.
আচ্ছা, so Bornik plus 300, Spandan. Seeking এ কি SRM এর ব্রাঞ্চ আছে? I'm not sure. I don't think so. ঠিক আছে, so Spandan minus 100.
Thank you.
Bornik plus 300, Spandan minus 100. Bornik mic টা অফ করো। বাবা,
আমি থ্যাংক ইউ আপনাকে বললাম।
হ্যাঁ, নিশ্চয়ই। আচ্ছা, ভালো কথা সন্দীপ, থ্যাংক ইউ। তুই কিন্তু এভরিওয়ান কে লিখছিস। ও হো, ওপি কোয়েশ্চেন, কানেক্ট। টেক সাম টাইম। 10, খুব স্পেসিফিক। 10, 9, লাস্ট ছবিটা দেখলেই হয়ে যাবে। এই পারফেক্ট আনসার, প্রাচুর্য, ভেরি গুড। 7, 6, সন্দ্রিত, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so only 2 answers, Prachurjo and Sunrit. These are Indian news.
We have answered this in an inter-school quiz. আমরা দুজন answer করেছি।
আচ্ছা, তো মানে আমি কি করে, মানে, so I'm sorry, মানে। So anyway, the first one is Times of India, second one is Mint, third one is Statesman, and fourth one is Telegraph. ঠিক আছে? So these are all Indian newspapers. So
third one টা Statesman কি করে এটা explain করবে?
States of India,
ও
political map.
আচ্ছা।
So Indian newspapers plus 300 to Prachurjo and Sunrit. OP DPS team, very nice. Car WhatsApp পাচ্ছে এখন।
It's way too loud.
Okay. আচ্ছা, X, মানে is the article here. X is an open-end, professionally managed system that pools money from many investors to purchase securities. There are many types of X, namely money market, bond or fixed income, stock or equity, hybrid, etc. I myself have bought quite a few X's. I mean, no, I haven't bought X. It's just, I'm sorry. Yes, you can pounce closing in 5, 4. What is X? 4, 3, 2.
You know there are multiple answers to this, right?
হ্যাঁ আমি জানি, I am accepting অনেক কিছুই, so
Okay, then I'm cool with this.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, 3, 2, 1, 0. হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে. So anything related to fund, this is actually a mutual fund. ঠিক আছে, so mutual fund, chit fund, সব কিছুই. What is NW mutual? Anyway, I'll just give it to you. Spandan, Debaditya, two answers. Spandan, Debaditya, Bornik, Prachurjo, Sunrit, not SIP. SIP is a form of investment, মানে systematic installment plan, মানে মাসে মাসে টাকা দিস. And Vinayak. So Vinayak, Prachurjo, Debaditya, Bornik, Spandan. And Sunrit -100. Vinayak, Prachurjo, Debaditya, Bornik, Spandan. And Sunrit -100. Abhishek, next question when you're ready. Clearly he's not ready. Abhishek, next question.
Who was after Debaditya?
Oh bhai. Spandan, Debaditya, Prachurjo and Vinayak +300.
And -100?
Sunrit. Yes, next question, last. Trick question. When I was in class 5, real life, when I was in class 5, I remember a few days before our winter vacations began, I went to school quite afraid. The school bus was really quiet and Nihanam, who was my class teacher, oh God, seemed quite unabashed. That day, I did not move out of the solemn classroom even once. We returned home by school bus as well, still missing the daily jibber jabber. Put Funda. Anything even related to the answer, I will give you the
You
point.
passed out in 2020, right? So I'm calculating,
Still
backward
conscious.
calculating.
খুব conscious আছি আমি এখন।
You was there, ঠিক আছে।
মাইকে, and that calculation is wrong. ঠিক আছে, আমি এখনই বলে দিলাম। Okay, pounds closing in 5, 4, 3. ভালো করে কোয়েশ্চনটা পড়, উইন্টার ভ্যাকেশনস ইয়ারটা বোঝার চেষ্টা কর।
Yeah, we must have been in school too at that time. So.
হবে হয়তো, but most probably you didn't know about what was happening, so তোরা খুবই ছোট থাকবি তখন। আমি 5 এ হলে you would have been in
3 year ka difference, right?
1.
Oh yeah.
তখন আমি শিলিগুড়িতে থাকি, মাই গড।
ঠিক আছে,
I was
so
in
5
2 or 3.
5 আচ্ছা হয়েছে 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. কেউ পারলো না, যা। এই তো সুনরিত, ফ্যান্টাস্টিক, একদম লাস্ট মোমেন্টে। Yes, this is this is 2012, end of the world.
Oh,
21st December
Wait.
2012.
কি হয়েছিল?
The world was supposed
The
to
world
end
was
on
supposed
that
to
day.
end.
The
you
rumor?
were
Why?
actually scared.
সবাই
Arey, because like the Aztec
Mayan calendar ended.
Wait,
Calendar
why
ended.
was the support? Why was the world supposed to end?
Oh, bhai.
আরে ওখানে ক্যালেন্ডারটা এন্ড হয়ে
Hello,
যায়।
end করেনি।
The Mayan calendar
শেষ হয়ে
ended.
Thank you,
The
Slade.
movie 2012 was also based on that thing, অনেক কিছু। ঠিক
Mayan
আছে, so
calendar ended.
world
Oh,
destroyed, Mayan calendar plus আমি তো তোকে পারলে 2000ই দিয়ে দেবো এখন, কিন্তু plus 300 to Sunrit. Bornik, the cold made this, it's the winter, I don't know what that means, -100 to
So which
Bornik.
calendar? So which calendar?
It's the
The Mayan
winter.
calendar.
Mayan.
Mayan calendar, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so that's the end of this round. So plus 300 to Sunrit and Bornik -100. Scores gulo dekhe ne, everyone have your break. We shall meet sharp at 21:15, please.